Hello dear friends, welcome to our channel Tubby Info. Here you can find independent news, comments about current world affairs and geopolitical situation around the world.
From satellites to the moon and Mars, China is quickly becoming a space superpower. The vital role that space exploration plays in modern economic development and warfare. Space exploration could bring many potential cooperation opportunities in science and commerce. In recent times, China has emerged as the new space superpower and third country to reach the Mars after United States and USSR. China's entry in space opens up a new space race between China and United States. China's space program officially began in 1956 with the creation of 5th Academy of the Ministry of Defense in early days. Mao Zedong wanted China to gain status among the world powers that, as he failed, did not respect him. But with Mao's death, China's space program almost died. World's most populous country did not start a manned space program until 1992, decades after the former Soviet Union and United States. In 1998, China was ousted from the International Space Station program, which was jointly held by United States, Russia, Canada, Japan, and European unions. China has recently launched a team of astronauts for the first time since 2016 to begin what the government hopes will be an ongoing human presence aboard the space station it is building, named Tiangong, a heavenly palace. Construction of Tiangong is scheduled to be completed next year, creating a rival to the International Space Station, which has operated for more than 20 years. It would be another milestone in China's space power, as its top leader Xi Jinping put it recently. China in April has launched the main module for its newest space station, drew more international attention than expected. The International Space Station, jointly developed by United States, Russia and others, is nearing to the end of its intended life in 2024. What will happen after that is unclear. NASA has proposed keeping the station going for a few more years. Russia has announced that it intends to withdraw by 2025 if the station is uncommissioned. China could be the only game in the town for some time. China has high ambitions for space. It plans to become a great space power by 2030. Atop a set of mega projects currently underway. An article in 2015 described Chinese satellites and spacecrafts, 129 at the time, as experiencing an average of 30 close encounters within 100 meters with space debris each year. In January 2019, China has become the first country to land a probe on far side of Moon, the part that perpetually faces away from Earth. It was China's second successful moon landing after first in 2013. In December last year, China sent yet another craft to the moon. It scooped up nearly 4 pounds of rock and soil near a volcanic feature called Mons Rumker and brought them back to Earth. The first lunar sample since the one was collected by Soviet Union's Luna 24 mission in 1976. Some of the samples were put on public display in Beijing with great fanfare. Recently, China and Russia joined hands for more lunar exploration programs in near future. China's Mars mission called Tianwen is trying in one go to complete a trifecta of feats that NASA has accomplished over a number of years. China's Tianwen orbiter has been surveying Mars and Tianwen lander has landed on Utopia Planitia, a large basin in northern hemisphere of the Mars. It is conducting numbers of experiments and studying the planet's atmosphere. One goal is to better understand the distribution of ice in the region, which is theory could help sustain future visits by people. China has planned to send another lander on Mars to fetch a sample back to the Earth by 2028, which is complex feat that United States and European space agencies are already working on. China's mission could setting up a potential race towards the red planet. China has also proposed the orbiter for Venus and Jupiter in 2024. It also plans to launch an orbiting telescope similar to the US's Hubble. These programs can create an opportunity for the world's second largest economy to extend its influence in the skies.